Hello everyone. You'll notice today's intro is a bit different. That is because this isn't a usual video. I have took a bunch of Twitch clips from my Twitch or other people's Twitch accounts with me involved, so it's all including me, and I'll credit them as well. Well, this is just a short video to show you what you're missing out on if you're not with me over on Twitch. I live stream every now and then. Also, subscribe to the channel, which should have lit that up, and like the video if you enjoy it. You can also, as I mentioned a minute ago, subscribing, turning on the bell notification as well. That is extremely helpful for me. But yeah, I mean, that's just about it. Different intro, then you know about that. Also, feel free to leave a comment. Those are nice. I also like reading them. Tips are welcome. But yes, on to the clips.
Sure, I can get him out.
Don't let the peak haze for me over, man. Cut me down.
Now die!
I'm a renegade. What do you expect?
Hey! I killed him!
God damn!
I killed him!
Shit!
We saved his ass. He's just like, oh hell yeah.
Mind blown. Yeah, I did turn it into virals. It was good. Wait, what? Oh my god. I don't know if you can see it on screen, but you're like invisible right now, and I'm just.
What about Mark? He's asleep.
Exactly.
This is like his 12th character.
No, fair enough. Fuck him. Let's go.
You've been waiting all night to say that, haven't you?
Maybe.
Oh my god. You know what? I'm sorry, Marky. I'm following the boss, man.
Alright, cool. My turn. No, wait!
Tower is next,
Yep.
and then you can do some more.
Someone's dead.
The second one was tower.
Here she comes!
Yep. It's a crawler. Maybe. You son of a bitch!
The fact that his book's line of sight.
I draw your fucking word. You cunt. You absolute cunt. I drew your fucking word, you little shit.
You know what they say, kid.
Shit.
Howdy.
I fell in fucking quicksand.
202.
We need a
Yeah,
5-number code. If anyone finds a
Yeah.
5-number code, then we
But-
need that.
Let's try downstairs again. Is it in the living room?
Oh, you know what?
Motherfucker.
You good? God damn. It looked like a.
That was the end of the clips. That was the end of the clips. That was the end of the clips. You better fucking follow me on Twitch and subscribe to YouTube. You can also leave a like if you want to. You can also subscribe to the Patreon page and become a member to see yourself at the end of these videos.